morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. I hope you all are fine and studying at home. Today in our English class, we will study a new lesson. And the name of the lesson is The Master Artist. And it is written by Carol Moore. Carol Moore is an author and creator of the site Children's Storybooks Online. She created the site to fulfill her lifelong dream of writing stories for children. She also illustrates stories for children. Carol Moore was an American educator, writer, and an advocate for children's libraries. She wanted children to be treated as individuals, and so she wanted that the books for children should be well written. Some of her famous works are Roads to Childhood, Nicholas, A Manhattan Christmas Story, The Three Owls, Reading for Pleasure, etc. In the year 1932, Moore received a special award, the Diploma of Honor. In 1940, she was twice awarded with the Doctor of Letters Awards. Her most popular book is The Gingerbread Man. Now let's see the story in short. So children, I will tell you the summary of the lesson. The Master Artist is a short illustrated children's story which was set in the year 1300. This story is about a master artist, a very famous master artist whose name was Monsieur Sidney Labe. Now children, in French language, Monsieur means Mr. So he was a very famous artist in the year 1392 and he was ready to retire after 45 years of his service of being an artist. One day, a rich patron. Now what is a patron? Patron means a person who supports artists and writers. So a rich patron called Monsieur Labe requested him to paint a 20 feet tall portrait of himself in his large banquet room. There was a 20 feet wall in his banquet hall and Mr. Bertolli wanted to paint his portrait on that wall. First the artist thought for a while and then he refused to paint because he was getting retired. But when he saw that Mr. Bertolli was disappointed after his refusal, so he agreed to paint his portrait. And both of them agreed on certain terms and conditions. First thing was that Mr. Bertolli would allow Mr. Labe to use his own abilities and explore his own limits as an artist. And Mr. Bertolli will not interfere in his work. And the second condition was that the painting must remain hidden, means to be kept private. Even Mr. Bertolli was not allowed to see the painting until and unless it was finished. And Mr. Sidney Labe also said that Mr. Bertolli need not even pose for him. Why? Because his memory was excellent and he can see his portrait in his mind. So both of them agreed and signed a contract. Now the artist was very happy because that was a wonderful space to paint with his own imagination. And for all of his 45 years, he had longed for it. Means it was his desire or dream to paint a masterpiece in his own way. But the guild. Now what is a guild? Guild is a group or a union of artists or craftsmen. So the guild did not allow him to paint him in his own way. So now this was a golden chance for him to fulfill his dreams. After signing the contract, they sealed the agreement. Now the master artist drew a high curtain in front of the wall so that no one can see the painting. Even Signor Bertolli could also not see at all. Though he tried to see, but the artist did not allow him. After a week passed by, Signor Bertolli asked him about the painting, and the artist replied him from behind the curtain. Time passed by, and Mr. Bertolli was waiting to see his painting. A month passed by. He again asked the artist, "How was the painting?" The artist replied, "Very nice, sir." The artist said, "Sir, you are very fortunate that I am painting your portrait." Another 3-4 months passed and Mr. Bertolli was eagerly waiting to see his painting. Finally, 6 months passed, and now Mr. Bertoli was filled with anger and frustration and told Mr. Labbe to show the painting.
रुकना कर.
One day, he ordered the artist to show his portrait. So the artist pulled the curtain aside from the painting. Giuliano Berti was so excited to see his portrait, and when he saw the painting, children, can you guess what happened? Mr. Bertoli stood for a minute. Why? How was the painting? Did he like it? No, not at all. Mr. Bertoli was very disappointed. He was so angry to see his portrait. His eyes turned red in anger. He was filled with anger and scolded him that he will not get any money. He is not an artist but a madman or a thief. So children, why was Mr. Bertoli angry? Why he did not like the painting? After all, it was a 20-foot tall masterpiece. What was wrong in the portrait? The master artist had drawn it for so long. The master artist had drawn a portrait in the form of modern art, which Mr. Bertoli couldn't understand. The art in which Mr. Labbe had painted the portrait. But according to Monsieur Labbe, the portrait of Mr. Bertoli was a masterpiece, means the best artistic work of his life. It was drawn in the Cubism style, which is a form of a modern art. And this story tells us that an artist who lived in 5 centuries earlier had discovered the modern art, but they have not received any recognition for it. So children, I hope you have understood the story. Read the lesson carefully and write the new words and their meanings in your rough copy. Thank you.